Since the foldable phone has launched, they're aimed to provide maximum power and productivity. The most expensive series in the foldable phone is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. According to rumors, Samsung has used same design in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, which he used the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 with some enhancements in terms of durability. Samsung has used most advanced OLED display panel in the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. Samsung has also improved the dust resistance on its foldable device. The inner screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is 6.7 inch, and the outer screen size is 3.9 inch. The power button. Also use the volume button in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. On the right side, the USB-C port and speakers are located at the bottom. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 come with new AI tools that we have on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Samsung is trying to improve the durability of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. When we talk about the battery, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 come with 4000 mAh battery. Samsung has used Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips to enhance power efficiency, and Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 come with at least 8 GB of RAM and a base storage of 256 GB. When we talk about colors, according to Ross, Young recently shared some leaked information related to colors. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 come light green, light blue, and silver color and yellow color. And finally, we have launch date for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. According to rumors, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is launched on 10 July 2024. So it's all for today. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.